Every year, thousands of patients around the world wait for life-saving organ transplants. Unfortunately, the demand for donor organs far exceeds the available supply. Scientists are now exploring a revolutionary technology that could help solve this problem. It is called 3D bioprinting, and it may one day allow doctors to print living human tissues and organs. 3D bioprinting is a specialized form of additive manufacturing that uses living cells instead of traditional printing materials. Instead of plastic or metal, bioprinters use a substance known as bioink, which contains living cells and supportive biological materials. These bioinks are carefully deposited layer by layer to build structures that resemble natural human tissues. The printing process is guided by detailed digital models created from medical imaging technologies such as CT or MRI scans. By following these digital blueprints, the printer can recreate the complex architecture of biological tissues. Scientists can print structures such as skin, cartilage, blood vessels, and simple tissue layers. This process mimics natural tissue growth. For a printed organ to function properly, the cells inside the structure must survive, grow, and communicate with each other. Researchers carefully select specific types of cells that can perform the functions needed in a particular tissue. These cells are combined with supportive biomaterials that provide structure and nutrients during the printing process. Once printed, the tissue often needs time to mature inside specialized laboratory environments called bioreactors. Bioreactors simulate conditions found inside the human body, such as temperature, oxygen levels, and nutrient supply. During this stage, cells begin to organize themselves and form natural biological connections. This process helps the printed tissue become stronger and more functional. Over time, researchers hope to create increasingly complex organs that could eventually be used for transplantation in clinical medical practice. Even before fully printed organs become available, bioprinting is already showing promise in several areas of medicine. Researchers are using printed tissues to test new drugs in laboratory settings. This allows scientists to observe how medications interact with realistic human tissue models. Pharmaceutical companies can use these models to identify potential side effects earlier in the development process. Bioprinted tissues may also help doctors study diseases in more detail. For example, scientists can create tissue models that mimic cancer growth or organ damage. These models provide valuable insight into how diseases develop and how new therapies might work. As the technology improves, bioprinting could transform both medical research and patient care. This significantly reduces risks in early testing stages and product development processes and outcomes for innovations. In the future, 3D bioprinting could potentially allow doctors to create organs using a patient's own cells. This approach may reduce the risk of immune rejection that often occurs after traditional organ transplants. Patients might no longer need to wait years for compatible donors. Instead, personalized organs could one day be produced, opening a new chapter in regenerative medicine.